So today we will be going from ugly to cute eyebrows. So we're going to start off first with some concealer right under the brows. Just filling it in all over the eyelid as well. Trying to get it as close to the bottom of the brow as possible. Then I'm going to take the spoolie of my Brow Wiz by ABH in the color Chocolate and go ahead and line under the eyebrow like so. And then I'm going to flick up just a little bit and try to shape the top of the eyebrow as well. It's very important to continue to use the spoolie on and off throughout this process. Just spoolie in between pretty much every time you're applying more product because you want to disperse it as evenly as possible. So at this point you can fill it in as much as you want. Right now I'm just kind of going in and fixing any problem areas I see. I like the bottom of my brow to be really crisp and clean. So I'm just kind of checking myself out. Hey girl. And now we are ready to take on the day. Oh my gosh, why am I so serious?